doing, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I thought I'd jump on here. I got a couple projects I'm gonna get done on the kayak. I'm trying to hit out the water tomorrow. Today's Friday. Trying to jump on there tomorrow, Saturday. Get my time in on the water. I was lacking a couple things last time I took the kayak out. Obviously I had that issue with the Mirage drive, but got that taken care of. Got it all oiled up. The only thing I got to get ready is I ended up needing a cooler bag because I had the cooler behind my seat. I had that thing zip tied, and it was just one of those random backpack coolers, and I didn't really like it. So I ended up finding a couple options. I went to a couple stores, FTU, Academy, all that good stuff, Bass Pro, and I found some options. I found the Hobie bag. I was gonna go with the medium one, and that thing was like over 100 some bucks. They had the larger style, was over 200 bucks, 180 to 200, and I ended up coming across the Magellan kayak fishing bag. I haven't looked online. I should YouTubed it or something, you know. A lot of people like us, we end up researching all this stuff, and yeah, I mean, to be honest, I don't think any research I would have found, whether it was negative or positive, would have swayed me from purchasing it. It was right in the ballpark of 50 bucks. I had an Academy card, so about $47 or something. And that thing looks exactly like what I need. The Hobie fishing bags, those things are nice. Don't get me wrong, I'm not knocking Hobie or anything when it comes to their bags. But the only thing I don't like about them is the price point, for one, obviously, and the fact that they're so stout up on the top. I haven't done kayak fishing a lot. I haven't had to use a kayak fishing bag before, so maybe that's a good thing that they're like that. But we're gonna test the Magellan one right now. I'm gonna do a little unboxing, show you what comes in the box, and how to install it, my thoughts on installing that. So just tune in. It's gonna be the Magellan fishing bag. We'll go ahead and install that on the Hobie. We got a Hobie PA12 for those of you who don't know, and yeah, let's go ahead and get on it. Alright guys, so this is what we're looking at. This is the kayak fishing bag that we're looking at. It is Magellan. I haven't opened this yet. It looks like they give a little tear here for some reason. Yeah, I'm not sure. But this is what it looks like. So it's splash resistant, clear pouch on the front for your phone, which I love that. Usually my phone gets hot whenever I go out there, and having it in there, that little clear pouch with the bag being kind of cold, it's probably gonna be really good to keep the phone cool. Quick and easy access. So it does have an access to the top right here, which I'm pretty psyched about. Yeah, fish storage. I'll go ahead and put the dimensions on the screen and what you can fish, what fish actually fit in there. And I kind of like this too, the bungee cords on top for extra storage. If I want to put my bogas or something hooked up to that, I don't have to worry about them being next to me. And don't buy this if you think it's if there's a kayak included. It's not, just for those that are wondering if you get a kayak with it. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this puppy up. Pretty straightforward. So yeah, it's the only thing you get in the box. Throw that to the side. Yeah, yeah, it's pretty straightforward. I mean, that's how I'd be putting it right there. I don't know if I should put it on the hatch and have this sticking out a little bit further to the back, or if I should just go full front with it. I don't know. We'll get some options down, see how they maybe it would be a good thing to have it way up here so I can reach it better, but then that cuts some of my space off. Yeah, right here I can actually tie it to the part of the kayak. I to kind of tie it right here, anchor this point. I'm gonna install, I did end up getting these on Amazon also. They're like booms fishing, some eye bolts. It's a pretty cool little pack that came with it. So the waterproofing, the rivets in black, and then the pad eyes. So pretty cool little set that you get there. If you guys are interested in any of this stuff, so I became an Amazon affiliate, because if I'm gonna start putting this stuff on there, and you know, I use it a lot when I go to other fishing channels and I check what people are doing, and if they have a link, I usually purchase it through them if I'm gonna get it, just so they can get a little kickback. And so I'll start doing that. You know, if you guys could do it, that'd be awesome. You know, I'm not gonna start promoting and doing all that stuff. If you guys could do it, that'd be awesome. But anyway, let's go ahead and get to it. I also bought a couple pack of bungees to see how I'm gonna install this thing. To be honest, I think I'm gonna do something like like that right there, hooked up to a pad eye right here, and click, click. Yeah, because I kind of don't want to drill into the kayak, but that'll be the last option. If I got to, I got to. So you go ahead and put some time lapse on this thing, and go ahead and get on it. Alright guys, so I kind of installed it already. This is it right here. I ended up going with these ball bungees with a little carabiner inside. It gets pretty sturdy here. For the front, I did go with the bungee, the zip ties. And yeah, so that's how it is. To be honest, I kind of dig it. You can open it there, and have that there too. And once you put ice on it, it'll firm up. Yeah, when you get to my hatch, I can still get in there if I need to. And yeah, that ain't going nowhere. Just gotta put it through. Yeah, it's pretty straightforward. It's on there. So yeah guys, if you guys didn't know how to install that, there it is. Real quick, 2 pad eyes that I installed right there, and yeah, some bungee cords. I did another project where I'm going to end up tying this down. I went with little crate style for now. I'm probably going to go with the black box. But yeah, that's how it looks, guys. If you guys want to purchase it or anything, I'll put a link in the description. And I'm going to get myself out of here because it's freaking hot. Alright, laters.